Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to completely delete OneDrive from Windows 11. If you are using Windows 11 and you want to completely delete OneDrive, so let's see how can you do that. So basically the OneDrive is the cloud of your Microsoft. If you want to get backup of your data or you want to get a backup of your data of in your Microsoft account, so you can use OneDrive. But if you don't want to use this, because sometimes your OneDrive starts on your startup and it will slow down your system, so there's some possible ways. The very first way, if your OneDrive is running in background, you might get that in your system tray. So you just have to click on it, and from here you can close it. Just click on the setting icon, click on quit OneDrive, and click on quit OneDrive again. OneDrive will be completely closed. But if you want to close it or permanently delete it, so you have to use your control panel. Go to search, and here just simply search for control panel, and here you have make sure that you have selected category, and then click on uninstall a program here. Now once you're here, you might see Microsoft OneDrive. You just have to right click on it and click on uninstall. Click on yes. Now it will take a few moments and it will completely uninstall OneDrive from your PC. You just have to wait for a few seconds here, and once your OneDrive will be completely deleted, you will be notified. So in this way, you can easily completely delete OneDrive from your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.